Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. The Chevrolet Colorado appeared on the scene in 2021 with a new front-end design and more standard features, giving the automaker a better competitor in the hot compact truck segment. Entering its 8th model year on sale since the second-gen model went on sale, we expect the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado to be a carryover model. When the Colorado arrived for the 2021 model year, it featured an updated design with an enormous grille, more aggressive front fascia, and Chevrolet stamped onto the rear tailgate. The revised exterior design helps the Colorado stand out in class, as it sports one of the more unique looks. We expect the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado to retain the same design as the current model. On the inside, things for the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado should remain the same as the current model. While not as eye-catching as the exterior, the interior of the current Colorado has an intuitive cabin with durable materials. The simple design of the dashboard, easy-to-read gauges, and large buttons and dials all help the Colorado have a straightforward design. Standard infotainment features on the current Colorado include a 7-inch touchscreen, 2 USB ports, a 6-speaker audio system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. Optional features include a Bose audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot, an 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, and an HD radio. These tech features should remain the same for the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. There are 3 available engines for the current Colorado, which are expected to remain the same for the 2022 model year. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that makes 200 horsepower. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. A more powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 308 horsepower is also available. The V6 comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A 2.8-liter turbodiesel 4-cylinder is also available, carrying ratings of 186 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque. The diesel engine comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive are available with all 3 engines. The current Colorado comes with a rear-view camera and a teen driver system as standard safety features. Optional safety features include lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and rear parking sensors. In the NHTSA's testing, the Colorado earned a 4-star overall safety rating. These features and safety ratings should remain the same for the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. Chevrolet hasn't released any information on when the 2022 Colorado will go on sale. Based on past years, we expect an estimated arrival date of summer 2021. Pricing for the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado remains unclear. Without any expected changes, the 2022 model year should carry the same range as the current model, which is priced at $26,395 to $42,920, including destination. This compact pickup truck will compete with the Ford Ranger, Jeep Gladiator, Nissan Frontier, and Honda Ridgeline.